सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनि कात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महत् मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार। Welcome to our 260 Abhyasa today, class number 273.
Yes, on 259, 5 more,
Yes.
6 more.
Yeah. 273rd class today. 3सप्तत्यधिकद्विशततमी कक्षा अद्य मार्च मासस्य 27 दिनाङ्कः। गतकक्षायां नववाक्यानि अस्माभिः कृतानि श्रीनिवास। यत्र चतुर् इति संख्यायाः अभ्यासः क्रियते। चतुर् संख्या शब्दस्य रूपाणि वयं कुर्मः। इतः पूर्वं गतकक्षायां कृतौ द्वौ अभ्यासौ अत्र द्वयोः अभ्यासयोः उत्तराणि 15 उत्तराणि तत्र सन्ति। तानि उत्तराणि कृष्णफलके इदानीं लिखितानि सन्ति। कृपया पश्यन्तु। प्लीज वॉच द आंसर्स फॉर द प्रीवियस क्लास 2 exercises 257 and 258. They are on the board. Please see them. Very simple exercises. Abhyasa 257, Abhyasa 258. These are the answers. 1 dvabhyam. It is going with the following noun there. द्वाभ्याम रूप्यकाभ्याम द्वौ बालकौ द्वे बालिके 4 द्वे पत्रे 5 द्वौ वृक्षौ 6 द्वाभ्याम छात्राभ्याम 7 द्वाभ्याम महिलाभ्याम 8 द्वयोः वृक्षयोः 9 द्वयोः लतयोः 10 द्वयोः आम्रवृक्षयोः 11 द्वयोः भवनयोः 12 द्वयोः उद्यानयोः 13 द्वयोः जनयोः 14 द्वाभ्याम पुत्रीभ्याम 15 द्वाभ्याम पुत्राभ्याम पुत्राभ्याम। सो दिस इज द्वि इति शब्दस्य प्रयोगाः। यू कैन सी द यूसेज ऑन 257 अभ्यास एंड 258 अभ्यास इज टू द राइट साइड। द फर्स्ट वन इज तिस्रः महिलाः त्रीणि पुस्तकानि 3 छात्रान् 4 तिस्रः अध्यापिकाः 5 त्रीणि वाहनानि 6 3 गुरून् 7 त्रिभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः 8 त्रिभ्यः मित्रेभ्यः 9 त्रिभ्यः गायकेभ्यः 10 तिसृभ्यः मातृभ्यः 11 त्रयाणां श्रमिकाणां 12 त्रयाणां तिसॄणां नर्तकीनां 13 त्रयाणां मित्राणां 14 त्रिषु पुत्रेषु 15 तिसृषु पुत्रीषु। एतावत् पर्यन्तं so far we have done in the previous class, and we also took up in the previous class 259 अभ्यास। एकोनषष्ट्युत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यासः अपि अस्माभिः प्रारब्धः गतकक्षायां। नववाक्यानि तत्र कृतानि। इदानीम् अद्य दशमवाक्यं कुर्मः। श्रीनिवास पठतु। दशमवाक्यं नगरेभ्यः जनाः आगताः इति। कति चतुर् शब्दस्य प्रयोगः।
नगरेभ्यः जनाः
आगताः। चतुर्भ्यः नगरेभ्यः जनाः आगताः। चतुर्भ्यः इति उत्तरम् अत्र भवति। चतुर्भ्यः इति एतस्य वाक्यस्य आङ्ग्लभाषायां कः अर्थः भवति? पीपल केम फ्रॉम 4 cities. चतुर्भ्यः नगरेभ्यः फ्रॉम 4 cities जनाः पीपल आगताः केम। नाउ आगता इज a participle adjective for जन शब्द। जनः आगतः जनाः आगताः। चतुर्भ्यः नगरेभ्यः जनाः आगताः। 11
dash nadibhyah jalam anitam.
सो नदी शब्दः स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः, अतः चतुर स्त्रीलिंगे चतस्रुभ्यः चतस्रुभ्यः नदीभ्यः चतस्रुभ्यः नदीभ्यः जलम आनीतम्। अर्थः आंग्ल भाषायां वाटर इज ब्रॉट फ्रॉम 4 रिवर्स, जलम आनीतम्। आनीतम् इति क्रियापदमपि कृदन्त क्रियापदमस्ति, न तु तिङन्तम्। This is not a regular verb, this is a participle verb going with jalam. Jalam anitam, rhyming with it. Jalam anitam. Jalam being a neuter noun, anitam also becomes neuter. Chatasrubhyah nadibhyah jalam anitam. Water from 4 rivers is brought. 12.
Dash karma
Karanam. Avashyakata.
Avashyakata asti.
There is a requirement, need of 4, workers. Chaturnam karma karanam avashyakata asti. Avashyakata is a noun which means need. Chaturnam karma karanam avashyakata asti. There is a need of 4 workers. 13.
Dash yuvatinam vivahah samjatah.
संजातः युवतीनां चतस्रुणां युवतीनां विवाहः संजातः। संजातः इति शब्दः अपि न क्रियापदं परन्तु तत् कृदन्तरूप संजात संजात। सो इट इज गोइंग विथ विवाहः संजातः संपन्नः अभवत् इति। विवाहः अभवत् इति। कतिनां युवतीनां चतस्रुणां युवतीनां। 4 young women's marriage took place. Marriage of 4 young women took place. चतस्रुणां युवतीनां विवाहः संजातः संपन्नः इति। 14.
Dash शास्त्रेषु
तस्य
समाना गतिः.
Some statement. चतुर्षु शास्त्रेषु, in 4 shastras. What are those shastras? It is irrelevant here. Chaturshu shastreshu tasya samana gatihi. It has equal way. Samana gati means equal passage in all the 4 shastras. It has equal samana gati. Gati shabda is strilinga shabda. Therefore here what is the visheshana? Samana iti visheshana padam. Samana. Because gati shabda is strilinga, ikaranta strilinga shabda, samana akaranta visheshana shabda becomes strilinga by becoming samana akaranta strilinga. Samana gatihi, not samanihi gatihi. Samana gatihi. Chaturshu shastreshu. Tasya. Now what the context is, meaning we cannot decipher. Antimam panchadasham. Chatasrushu nadishu makaraha santi. There are crocodiles in 4 rivers. There are crocodiles in the 4 rivers. Chatasrushu nadishu iti evam एकोनषष्टि उत्तर द्विशततमः अभ्यास समाप्तिं गच्छति। षष्ट्युत्तर द्विशततम अभ्यासः पञ्चादिशब्दानां रूपाणि द्रष्टव्यानि सन्ति। वयम् एतदपि कुर्मः, अनन्तरम् उत्तरपदानि लिखामः। We will do this and write this and this together. पुनः एकवारं पश्यामः। The answer for the 259 abhyasa is first gruhinyah chatasrah gruhinyah, 2 chatvari sthanani, 3 chaturah granthan, be careful here, chaturah granthan, 4 chatasrah balikah, 5 chatvari talaphalani, 6 chaturbihi purushaihi, 7 chatasrubihi उपचारिकाभिः, 8 चतुर्भ्यः कर्मकरेभ्यः, 9 चतस्रुभ्यः गायिकाभ्यः, 10 चतुर्भ्यः नगरेभ्यः, 11 चतस्रुभ्यः नदीभ्यः, 12 चतुर्नाम कर्मकराणाम 13, चतस्रुणाम युवतीनाम 14, चतुर्षु शास्त्रेषु 15, चतस्रुषु नदीषु। अनन्तरं वयम् उत्तरपदानि लिखामः श्वेतफलके। चिन्ता मास्तु तत्र, डोंट वरी, विल गो टू अभ्यास 260 नौ श्रीनिवास। पंचादि शब्दानां रूपाणि इदानीं पश्यामः, अभ्यासं कुर्मः। कोष्टकस्थ संख्यायाः सूचितानां पंचादि शब्दानां रूपाणि विशेष्यानुगुणम् अकॉर्डिंग टू द नाउन रिक्तस्थाने पूरे। यू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ द डिक्लेरेशन। सुभाषितमपि अत्र विस्मृतम्, इदानीं स्मारितं भवता स्मारितं, रिमेम्बर्ड बाय यू। ओके, एतत् सुभाषितम् इतः पूर्वमेव मया कक्षायां पाठितं। बहु कालात् यदा वयं कर्मणि प्रयोगं पठामः स्म, कर्मणि प्रयोगं, तदानीम् एतद् सुभाषितं मया पाठितं। पुनः एकवारं पठामः। पठतु भवान्।
यथा चतुर्भिः कनकं परीक्ष्यते
निघर्षण
छेदन तापताडनैः, तथा चतुर्भिः पुरुषः परीक्ष्यते त्यागेन शीलेन गुणेन कर्मणा।
So this shloka is given Subhashita only to tell us about the usage of Chaturbhihi. Earlier when I taught it for the sake of Parikshyate, passive voice. Parikshyate is tested. So Yatha Tata, usage of Yatha Tata also you can locate here. So Yatha, just as Chaturbhihi Prakaraihi. Prakaraihi is understood by 4 means, methods. Chaturbhihi Prakaraihi Kanakam Suvarnam Parikshyate. Just as gold is tested by 4 ways, by 4 methods. What are the methods there? They are, the method number 1 is Parikshyate. Nigharshana. Nigharshana means scrubbing against the touchstone. Chedana, cutting the, and tapa, heating, and tadana, beating. So by rubbing, scrubbing or rubbing, heating, cutting and beating, gold's purity is tested by the goldsmith. Chaturbihi Prakaraihi, by 4 means. Nigharshana, Chedana, Tapa Tadanaihi. So you can see Tadanaihi Trutiya Bahuvachana, Chaturbihi Trutiya Bahuvachana. Kanakam Parikshate, that is the main. Yatha Chaturbihi Kanakam Prakaraihi Kanakam Parikshate, Nigharshana Chedana Tapa Tadanaihi. Tatha, in the similar manner, Yatha, just as, Tatha, similarly, Chaturbihi Prakaraihi, by 4 methods, 4 ways, Purushaha api parikshyate. This parikshyate is in passive, is tested. A man is also tested by 4 methods. Method number 1 is Tyagena, by looking at his charity, Silena, by his character, Gunena, by his good quality, Karmana, by his action. So man is also tested similarly by charity, by his Shila, good character, by his behavior, you can say, Shila, and Guna is his qualities, and then his action. So these are the things. Very small Subhashita. Right. Abhyasa 260.
Udaharana, Panchabhyaha Balakebhyaha Paritoshikam Dadati.
Panchadi. Now here not only Pancha, look at the direction, Panchadi Shabdanam Rupani. It can be Dasha also, Srinivas. Not only, so far we did only 2, 3 specifically. So here Panchadi means it can go from Pancha to any number requirement, you will see. Yes, take Panchabhyaha Balakebhyaha Paritoshikam Dadati. So he has given direction here in the number. 9 means you use Nava Shabda. The 10 means Dasha Shabda use. 7 means Sapta Shabda, Saptan Shabda, like that. Okay. So Panchabhyaha Balakebhyaha Paritoshikam Dadati. Somebody is giving a gift to 5 students. For the sake of 5 students, panchabhyah balakebhyah paritoshikam dadati yachati. Kaschid purushah yachati iti. Okay, one.
Dash rasanam namani vadata.
Navarasas. There are navarasas. Navanam rasanam namani vadata. You please tell the names of the 9 rasas. Like we have navarasas in Shrungara, Hasya, Veera, Raudra, Bhivasa, Adbhuta, Bhayanakaha. Raudra, Bhivasa, Adbhuta. Something missing? Shrungara, starting with Shrungara, Hasya, Veera, Raudra, Bhivasa, Adbhuta, Bhayanaka, Karuna, and someone is not coming here. Raudra is there, Jugupsa. So there are 9 sentiments in drama. Navarasas, generally in Sanskrit literature we discuss of originally when Bharata Muni, who wrote Bharata's Natya Shastra, Astaveva rasaha natye smrutaha, he said. Only 8 rasas are there according to Bharata Muni. Bharata's Natya Shastra, which is a monumental work. Later, rhetoricians, Alankarikas, they have added 1 rasa, that is Shanta rasa. Shanta is also a rasa, they said, and made it Navarasas. But according to up to the time of Bharata Muni, there are only 8 rasas. Shanta also later came to be added to the list of 8 and it became 9. Where is Shanta rasa? Mahabharata is supposed to have Shanta rasa in that. Although there is so much war taking place, but the critics say Mahabharata has Shanta rasa. It is predominant with Shanta rasa. So Navarasas are there. 2.
Dash jananam
Karyam.
ekam yantram karoti.
This is modern. Dashanam, yes. Dashanam jananam karyam ekam yantram karoti. Meaning is very simple. One machine does the work of 10 people. One machine does the work of 10 people. So Dashanam. Where are these given for these people? Srinivas, which paper? Dasha is introduced here. Shat. Dasha is like 7 only. Ashtan, Navan, Dashan, Dvadashan, Trayodashan, Dashan.
Saptan, Ashtam, Navan, Dasham, Ekadasham, Dvadasham, Trayodasham.
Chodashan, Saptadashan, Ashtadisham, Nakaran, Shabdana. Pancha, like Pancha only they are.
Up till Navadasham.
Navadashan. 7 to 19, please remember, we already read a note. From 7 to 19, you should derive them like Pancha. Panchan only. Like 5. So Dashanam, Panchanam, which is there in the previous class for 545 page. 545 page. So Dashanam, Jananam. If you go back to the previous video, you can see that. 3 Srinivas.
So, dash balanam khadyam
Dvau eva.
khaditavanto.
Here is Saptanam Balanam Khadyam, the food meant for 7 boys. The food of the 7 boys, Dvau eva Khaditavan. 2 boys only have eaten. 2 boys have eaten the food of the 7 boys. Gluttons. So, Saptanam Balanam Khadyam. Khadyam nama annam. Dvau eva balau. Dvau eva balau eva khaditavanto. This is tavatu. Akhadat akhadatam. Dvau eva balau. Understood? Akhadatam. Khaditavanto. That is the meaning. So, Saptanam is the answer. 4.
Dash matrunam putraha kartikeyaha asti.
That Kartikeya, Krutikas, they brought him up, therefore he gets the Kartikeya. So, how many Krutikas were there? Shat. Shannam matrunam putraha Kartikeya asti. Kartikeya is a god in the Indian mythology who is brought up by 6 mothers, therefore they are Krutikas, and therefore he gets the name as Kartikeya. Shannam matrunam putraha Kartikeya asti. 7, 5.
Dash dvipaihi विशिष्टा इयं
पृथिवी वर्तते. 7 have to use. सप्तभिः द्वीपैः, सप्तभिः द्वीपैः विशिष्टा इयं पृथिवी वर्तते. That is, this iyam prithvi, this earth is special, being surrounded by 7 islands. Saptabhihi dvipaihi, with 7 islands. Visishta iyam prithvi vartate. This earth is special, being surrounded by having 7 islands. Then there is a number mistake, 1, 2, 5, 5 repeated 2 times here. Okay, that doesn't matter. Small error. 6.
dash वसूनां विषये उल्लेखः पुरुषेषु दृश्यते.
पुराणेषु. पुराणेषु. 8. अष्टानां वसूनां विषये उल्लेखः पुराणेषु दृश्यते. There are semi-gods by name Vasus. Their ullekha mention is found. Ashtanam Vasunam, of 8 Vasus. Their mention is found where? Puraneshu, in the Puranas. The mention of 8 Vasu are found in Puranas. That is the literal meaning here. We will not go to the mythology. Anyway, 7.
dash rasaihi kavyam
Ruchiram bhavati. Again, just now we spoke of Navarasas. Oh, that is Natya Rasas. Here, different rasa here. Oh, the same thing, Kavya, yeah. I thought something. The eatable rasas, I thought here. No, same thing. Same, Navabihi Rasaihi Kavyam Ruchiram Bhavati. Any poetry, piece of literature becomes interesting with 9, but this is not that correct statement. You can't have all the 9 rasas in Kavya. Generally, there will be one dominant rasa. Angi rasa, Anga rasa will be there. One dominant rasa, one will be subordinate rasa in Kavya. Or, okay, anyway. Navabihi rasaihi kavyam ruchiram bhavati. Poetry becomes interesting with 9 sentiments. Rasa here means sentiment. There is a rasa charcha Srinivas in Bharata's Natya Shastra. And it's a different topic altogether. Vibhavanubhava vyabichari sanyogat rasa nishpattihi. Bharata says. Vibhava anubhava. There are, how does one begin to enjoy rasa in a poetry? When you read, when you listen to a poetry, piece of poetry, when you see a composition on stage being acted, we enjoy. That enjoyment is called rasa in Sanskrit language. What is rasa? The enjoyment. When you read a poem, or when you listen to a poem, piece of poem, or when you see a drama being acted, or something being acted on the stage, and if there is a sentiment expressed through the poem or through the acting, heroic sentiment, erotic sentiment, hero, heroine are there. Mostly in Indian cinemas, there is a song, there is a beautiful background, and then Srungara Rasa will be displayed there. So, seeing that Srungara Rasa enacted by the hero and the heroine, audience enjoy. That is called Rasa Aswadana. When there is a fighting going on the stage, whether it is a stage or in a movie, what do the audience do? They see the fighting and they enjoy. So that is Veera Rasa Aswadana. So no one rasa can please the audience. The cinema or movie or the stage or the anything has to have different rasas, because men are found to be not happy with one rasa. That is what the diagnosis of Bharata Muni. Men cannot be happy if you show only Srungara Rasa on the stage. Just imagine only love songs, love. Audience get bored totally. They come out of the theatre saying it's a boring film, Then there is Hasya Rasa is there. People enjoy comedy. So that is Navabihi Rasaihi. Next cinema is 8.
dash indriyeshu manaha ekadasham bhavati.
So there are pancha karmendriyas, pancha jnanendriyas. So that is what is here referred. Yeah, dashasu indriyeshu manaha ekadasham bhavati. So 10 karmendriyas, 10 jnanendriyas, and mind becomes the 11th one. So you use the word dashasu indriyeshu. Among the 10 senses, mind is the 11th one. 9.
Dash varshebhyah ayam karyam karoti.
Ayam Purusha understood, this man, Dashabhyah Varshebhyah Ayam Karyam. This person is working from 10 years. Dashabhyah. Yes?
Here the answer is 6 actually.
6. Oh, I am reading for the above. Okay. So, from 6 means you take Shadbhyah. Yeah. Shadbhyah Varshebhyah Ayam is understood, Ayam Purushaha Karyam Karoti. Shadbhyaha. And the last one here, 10th.
Dash balikaah parikshayam uttirnaah.
How many? Dwadasha. Dwadasha balikaah parikshayam uttirnaah means 12 girls have passed in the examination. Dwadasha balikaah parikshayam in the examination. This is Saptami Ekavachana Pariksha Shabda. Uttirnaah is again participle verb, not a regular verb. Srinivas, I will write the answers before we move further. 259 and 260. Tell me the first one. One, huh?
Dash gruhinyah pakam kurvanti.
Chatasraha. Right. 2.
Dash sthanani riktani santi.
Chatvari.
Sthanani.
3.
Dash granthan patata. Chaturah granthan.
4.
Dash balikaah ahvaya. Chatasrah balikaah. Dash talaphalani aspadaya.
Chatvari.
Dash purushaihi karyam sampaditam.
Chaturbhihi.
Dash upacharikabhihi rugnah parikshitah.
Chatasrubihi.
Dash karmakarebhyah vadatu vetanam dehi.
Karma kareve. Chaturbhyaha. Nine.
Dash gayikabhyah puraskaram dehi. Gayikabhyah.
Chatasru. Gayikabhya. This is feminine.
Dash nagarebhyah jana.
Just wait. Marjananantaram likha. Dasham.
Nagarebhyah nagarebhyah.
Chaturbhyaha nagarebhyah. 11.
Dash nadibhyah jana hari.
Chatasrunam.
Chatasru.
Nam. Nadinam.
Nadibhyah.
Chatasrubhyah. Yeah. 12.
Dash karmakaranam avashyakata
चतुर्नाम
डैश युवतीनां विवाह संजातः
चेतस्रु युवतीनां
डैश शास्त्रेषु तस्य समाना गतिः
चतुर्षु या नेक्स्ट
डैश नदीषु मकराः सन्ति
चेतस्रुषु ओवर what happened to our pens? Read this. Oh no, totally read this. Is it visible, Srinivas?
Yes.
Or shall I take blue one? Even this is not good. No, not writing properly. Oh, this is better. Okay, the title may be there. Tell me one.
डैश रसानां नामानि वदत
नवानां
रसानां
visibility, tell me. Okay.
Yeah.
Two. Next sentence.
डैश जनानां कार्यम् एकं यन्त्रं
Navanam, same.
दशानां
Dasha is there. Three.
सप्तानां बालानां
Saptana.
खाद्यं द्वौ एव
Four.
षण्णां मातॄणां पुत्रः कार्तिकेयः अस्ति
Yes. Five.
सप्तभ्यः द्वीपैः
What is that? Seven.
फिफ्थ वन
Fifth one.
द्वीपैः
Saptabhi. Saptabhi.
सप्त
Bhi. Saptabhi.
सप्तभिः द्वीपैः विशिष्टायां पृथिवी अष्टानां वसूनां विषये उल्लेखः पुराणेषु दृश्यते
Asthana. Yes. Seven.
नवैः रसैः
Rasai.
रसैः नैन्
Navaihi. Navavihi.
नवभिः
Not Navavihi. Navani on there. Navavihi comes.
नवभिः
Not Navavihi. Navan Shabda. Navavihi Rasai.
दशेषु इन्द्रियेषु
Dasha.
दशेषु इन्द्रियेषु
Dashasu.
नंबर 9 वर्षेभ्यः सिक्स
Shad Varshebhyah. Shad Varshebhyah. Shadbyah.
षड्भ्यः वर्षेभ्यः अयं कार्यं करोति
One more, I think. 10 I will write here. Dashasu. Dwadasha.
बालिकाः
Dwadasha only, that's all.
बालिकाः परीक्षायां
Okay. The cap you have not given me. One thick red you just keep some. if it is there. Red will be more better visible. So evam abhyasa 259 rapidly will go. Chatasraha गृहिण्यः चत्वारि स्थानानि चतुरः ग्रन्थान् 4 चतस्रः बालिकाः चत्वारि तालफलानि 6 चतुर्भिः पुरुषैः 7 चतस्रुभिः उपचारिकाभिः 8 चतुर्भ्यः कर्मकरेभ्यः 9 चतस्रुभ्यः गायिकाभ्यः 10 चतुर्भ्यः नगरेभ्यः 11 चतस्रुभ्यः नदीभ्यः 12 चतुर्नां कर्मकराणां 13 चतस्रुणां युवतीनां. See the spelling mistakes in one second. 14 chatasrushu, I'm sorry, chaturshu, right? Chaturshu shastreshu. 15 chatasrushu nadishu. Evam abhyasa 259 and 260 abhyasa is this. Ekam rasanam, navanam rasanam. 2 dashanam jananam. 3 trayanam, saptanam balanam. 4 shannam matrunam. 5 सप्तभिः द्वीपैः 6 अष्टानां वसूनां 7 नवभिः रसैः 8 दशसु इन्द्रियेषु दशेषु सॉरी दश शब्द सु only Srinivas दशेषु I wrote will write a mistake. Okay, correction. दशसु इंद्रियेषु षड्भ्यः वर्षेभ्यः 12 बालिकाः. One mistake. Is it okay?
Yes.
अग्रे सरन किमस्ति अग्रे ओ अभ्यास पुनः 1/2 अभ्यासः करणीयः. संख्या शब्दानां रूपाणि. नो मोर फॉर्म्स ऑफ दिस. कोष्टके सूचिताभिः संख्याभिः रिक्तस्थानानि. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वंस अगेन एज पर द डायरेक्शन गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स. So dashasu already given. Vidyalayeshu Samskrita pathaha na prachalati. In 10 schools Sanskrit is not taught. Sanskrit teaching is not done. Some statement is made here. Dashasu Vidyalayeshu Samskrita pathaha na prachalati na chalati. Ekam. Yes.
Dash chhatraah vidyalayam na gachanti.
Sapta chhatraah. Very simple. Sapta chhatraah vidyalayam. 7 students are not going to the school. 2.
Dash Panduputreshu Yudhishthirah Jyeshthaha Panchasu. Panduputreshu Yudhishthirah Jyeshthaha. Among the 5 sons of Pandu, Panchasu Panduputreshu, among the 5 sons of Pandu, Yudhishthirah Jyeshtaha is the eldest. Yudhishthira is the eldest. This refers to the Mahabharata story where Yudhishthira is the eldest among the sons of Pandu and Duryodhana is the eldest among the sons of Dhritarashtra. So Pandu and Dhritarashtra both are brothers. Dhritarashtra is the elder brother, Pandu is the younger brother. And youngest brother is Vidura in the story. Okay, 2, 3. Dash Mahadvipeshu Asia Mahadvipum
Bruhattamam Saptasu Mahadvipeshu. Among the 7 islands, great islands, Asia Mahadvipam, Asia, great continent. Among the 7 big continents, you can say Mahadvipam means continent only. Among the 7 great continents, Asia Mahadvipam Bruhattamam. Asia is the biggest one. 4.
Dash Gruheshu Pruthivi Anyatamah Graha.
Graheshu. There are 9 planets. So Nava Su Graheshu, among the 9 planets, Prithvi Anyatama is one of the planet. Anyatamaha Grahaha Prithvi. This earth is one of the 9 planets. 5. Dasharathasya Rajnyaha means queens. Ragni, Rajnyau, Rajnyaha. This is Ikaranta Nadi Shabda like. Ragni, Rajnyau, Rajnyaha. Asan, were. This is a regular verb. Asit, Astam, Asan. Dasharathasya, Dasharatha had or has. Tisraha, Rajnyaha, Asan. Dasharatha had. This Rajnyaha, Dasharathasya is Shashti in the sense of possession. Dasharatha had 3 queens. Dasharathasya Tisraha Rajnyaha Asan. 6. 3 has to be used. Tribhyaha, Munibhyaha, Namaha. Salutation to 3 sages. Salutation to the 3 sages. 7. Rachayitaraha Rushayaha Eva. Chaturnam Vedanam. Chaturnam Vedanam Rachayitaraha Rushayaha Eva. Rachayitaraha word is derived Rachayitru Srinivas. Rukaranta. Rachayita, Rachayitaro, Rachayitaraha. Rachayita is a popular word in India. Every Indian can understand. Rachayita means writer. So Rachayita, Rachayitaro, Rachayitaraha, composers or the writers. Rishayaha eva. Rishis themselves are the writers, composers of the 4 Vedas. Not writers, we say composers, better there. Because we believe, Indian tradition believes that Rishis did not write the Veda, they only saw the Vedic. They only saw and they composed. 8. Ashtadasha you have to use. Rachayita. So here again Ekavachana is used. Rachayita. Ashtadashanam Purananam. Of all the 18 Mahapuranas or Puranas, Rachayita Vyasaha. Vyasa is the writer of 18 Puranas. You know 18 Puranas are there. Mahapurana, 18 Upapuranas are also there. Some of the Mahapuranas are like Vishnu Purana, Skanda Purana, Devi Purana, Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavata Purana, Agni Purana, and so on. So there are, these Puranas are 18 in number, and some speak of Shiva, some of Vishnu, like that. 9. Chatasrubhyaha. Now Dik Shabda is used here. Dik, Dishau, Dishaha. Dik, Strilinga Shabda, Srinivas. So Dik, Dishau, Dishaha, Disham, Dishau, it's a Disha, Dik, Disha, Dishe, Digbhyam, Digbhyaha. Digbhyaha is, first try to understand, is Dik Shabda, this Shabda, Shakaranta, which is Chaturthi Bahuvachana, Srinivas. Dishe, Digbhyam, Digbhyaha. Chatasrubhyaha, Digbhyaha. Chatasrubhyaha, Digbhyaha. From 4, what do you say, Dik directions. From 4 directions, north, east, west, south, Khagaha, Pakshinaha, Agachanti. Birds come from the 4 directions. Chatasrubhyaha, Digbhyaha. Pakshinaha, Agachanti, Khagaha, Agachanti. 10. Maritaha. Dvabhyam Janabhyam Vyagraha Maritaha. A tiger was killed by 2 persons. Dvabhyam Janabhyam, by 2 persons. Vyagraha Maritaha was killed. So these are the 10 here. We have done. Time is there now?
Yes.
Yeah, we can finish off this. we are thoroughly learning the usage of numerals, Srinivas, numerical numbers, and the derivation here. 10 are there, I think this is sufficient. Which one you gave? Read this one. Abhyasa 260. What is the number?
261.
What is happening? Okay, color?
Yes.
Anyways? Yeah, tell me.
First one. Dash Chhatraha Vidyalaya Gachanti.
No, number, you tell me number.
Chhatraha.
Sapta. 2.
Panchasu Panduputreshu Yudhishthirah. Saptasu Mahadvipeshu Navasu Gruheshu
Graheshu.
दशरथस्य तिस्रः राज्ञः dash तिस्रः
Rajnyah आसन 6.
त्रयः त्रिभिः मुनिभ्यः नमः
नमः.
त्रिभ्यः
त्रिभ्यः.
मुनिभ्यः नमः
7.
चतुर्णां वेदानां
Vedanam is there.
चतुर्णां वेदानां अष्टादशानां पुराणानां
Over.
9, 10 चतुर्भ्यः दिग्भ्यः
I can't write here. Right. 9 is what?
चतुर्भ्यः दिग्भ्यः
Digbhyah. 10.
द्वाभ्यां जनाभ्यां
व्याघ्रः मारितः. सो एवं एकषष्ट्युत्तरद्विशततमः अभ्यासः अपि समाप्तः भवति. यत्र संख्याशब्दानां विभिन्नसंख्यानां संख्याशब्दानां प्रयोगान् वयं कृतवन्तः. अवधेयं समथिंग इज टू बी नोटेड हियर. विल रीड. एकतः चतुर्पर्यन्तं फ्रॉम 1 to 4 संख्याशब्दानां लिंगभेदात् रूपभेदः. There is gender difference from 1 to 4. That is what is ekatah chaturparya. From 1 to 4 sankhya shabdanam, the numerical numbers, linga bhedat, because of the gender difference, rupa bhedah, there is a difference in the appearance also. 2. Panchatah navaparyantam, 5 to 9 sankhya shabdanam numerals, trishu lingeshu samanam rupam. From 5 to 9, there is no gender differentiation. All are derived in the same, like panchasu balakeshu, panchasu balikasu. 3. Ekona vimshatitah, that is from 19 anantaram, later linga vachanadi visaye visheshaniyamaha santi te atra nirupitah. Ekona vimshatitah, from 19 onwards, linga vachanadi vishaye, in the matter of gender and the number, visheshaniyamaha, there are special rules. Te atra na nirupita, they are not given here. They will be introduced at appropriate time. That is what the book says. Now we are going to see some avyaya prayogas here. Kati, kiyat, shabdayoho prayogaha, which are also useful in our. Kati means how many, kiyat means how much. Kiyat mulyam, etasya pustakasya mulyam kiyat. What is the cost of this book? Kiyat means, like in Hindi bhasha, we say kitna. Perhaps kitna is from our Sanskrit kiyat only, kitna. And kati means kitne. Hindi bhashayam kitne, how many. Kati is used in plural. Kiyat is singular like. So there, now just read Srinivas, these 4 sentences.
विद्यालये कति छात्राः पठन्ति कतिभ्यः जनेभ्यः एतद् दातव्यं भवनस्य विशालत्वं कियत् वृक्षस्य औन्नत्यं कियत्.
So you can see their usage here. Vidyalaye kati chhatraah patanti. If I ask how many students are studying in the school, Vidyalaye kati chhatraah. Kati used in how many? The same kati is derivable also in the next sentence. Katibhyaha janebhyaha etad datavyam. For how many people this should be given? Katibhyaha janebhyaha etad pustakam datavyam. For how many people? So katibhyaha chaturthi, since janebhyaha is in chaturthi. Then kiyat usage, bhavanasya vishalatvam kiyat. What is the length of the building? Bhavanasya vishalatvam. Okay? Length. Kiyat means how much? What is the length of the building? Vrikshasya aunatyam kiyat. Aunatyam means height. What is the height of the tree? Vrikshasya aunatyam kiyat. Or you can say pustakasya mulyam kiyat. What is the cost of a book, of the book? Pustakasya mulyam kiyat also you can say. Etad vastrasya mulyam kiyat. And so on and so forth. Vivaranam. Upari nirdishta vakyeshu, in the above mentioned 4 sentences, kati shabdaha kiyat shabdaha cha prayuktau staha. Kati and kiyat are used. Where yatra sankhya pruchyate Uttaram cha apekshate tatra kati shabdaha prayujyate. Where is kati used? Where sankhya pruchyate, where number is asked. Uttaram cha apekshate, and an answer is expected. There tatra kati shabdaha prayujyate. There kati is used. Kati is used where a number is being asked and expecting an answer. Udaharana, sabhayam, in the assembly, atra here, kati janaha santi, how many people are there? So you expect a number also in the answer. Atra janaha ganana sadhyaha, where people are countables. Where countables are there, we use that. Ataha, therefore, kati shabdasya prayogaha krita. Therefore, kati shabda word is used. Yatra parimanam, where the quantity is asked, being asked. Like what is the price? Price is not a, it's a quantity but not a countable. Yatra parimanam pruchyate is asked, tatra kiyat shabdaha prayujyate. There the kiyat is used. The difference between the usage of kati and kiyat is that kati is asked when people, as it made, you get the answer in number. Where you don't get the answer in number, there you use to specify the quantity. Parimana means quantity only. For example, udaharana, patre kiyat jalam asti. What is, how much is the water in the vessel? 1 liter, 2 liters. But in kati, we are asking number. Kati chhatraah santi, how many students are there? What is the patre in the vessel? Kiyat jalam asti. What is the, how much is the how much is the water? How much is the water only you say, isn't it? 1 liter, whatever, little water. Jalam na ganana sadhyam. This water cannot be counted. It is not a countable thing. Therefore, ataha kiyat shabdaha prayuktaha. water, price also. Like I said, pustakasya mulyam kiyat. Kati mulyam you can't say. Pustakasya mulyam kati you can't say. Pustakasya mulyam kiyat only you can say. So also remember this. Kati, kitne, Hindi bhashayam, Angla bhashayam, how many. Uttaram sankhyaatmakam, and the answer will be as per the number wise only. Kiyat, kitna, Hindi bhashayam, just now I told you, how much in English. Uttaram, the answer will be parimanatmakam, will be quantity wise. 1 liter, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, etc. Is it okay?
Yes.
One more avadheyam. What is the time now?
Left 4 minutes.
Okay, avadheyam. Now note is there. Kati shabdaha nityam bahuvachananta. This is has to be very clear in your mind, Srinivas. Kati shabdaha nityam bahuvachanantaha. Kati, when used, it is always used in plural only. No ekavachana. Like eka shabda numeral cannot be used in bahuvachana. Dvi shabda cannot be used in ekavachana and bahuvachana, like that. Kati shabdaha nityam, always bahuvachanantaha. It is always ending in plural. Therefore, ataha yadi uttaram ekavachanam dvivachanam va bhavet. The answer may be ekavachana, the answer may be dvivachana, the answer may be singular or dual. Tadapi, even then, kati shabda yuktaha prashnaha, the question used with kati, bahuvachana eva syat. That should be in bahuvachana only. Question should be in bahuvachana only. But the answer may be singular or dual. But question has to be in plural number. For example, prashna is there. Bhavataha gruhe kati janaha santi. You cannot say bhavataha gruhe kati janaha santi. Srinivas. Kati janaha santi would be wrong. Kati janaha asti also is wrong. Using kati, you should use jana shabda in bahuvachana only, irrespective whether you have only one person living at your home. Uttaram, what is the uttaram? Ekaha asti, ekavachana. It doesn't matter. Mama gruhe ekaha eva janaha asti. You can say that. Eka asti, in short he has given. If you want to make it a full answer, mama gruhe ekaha janaha asti. That is fine. So, or alternative answers are given. Mama gruhe dvau janau staha. Mama gruhe trayaha janaha santi. Whichever you can give. Either of the three answers will be alright. You can give the answer in singular, in dual, or in plural. Ekavachanam uttaram datum shakyate, dvivachanam uttaram datum shakyate, trivachanantam uttaram api datum shakyate. Parantu kati shabdena yuktaha prashnaha bahuvachane syatiti. That the question should be in plural, that you remember. You got the point here? Kati, when you use, you must use the question in plural number only. And in the next page, you are going to see the derivation of this, Srinivas. Yeah. You can see the derivation provided in your book. Next page you can turn. Kiyat shabdasya, first he is giving kiyat, then he will give kati. Kiyat, how much? So this kiyat has gender differentiation and it is derived as per the gender, like pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga. Kiyan, kiyantau, kiyantaha, santi santo kiyantaha. There is a subhashita. Santi santaha kiyantaha. How many good people are there? Subhashita is there one. Santi santaha kiyantaha. Dvitiya kiyantam. Tritiya kiyata, kiyate, kiyataha, kiyata. It is like marut shabda, if you remember. Marut, marutam, maruta, marute, marutaha, marutaha, maruti. Got it? I gave you some rhythm also. Tam, ta, te, taha, taha, ti. Remember, Srinivas? While studying the Halanta Shabdas, I gave you a rhythmic way of learning also, by hearting. Tam, ta, te, taha, taha, ti. Remember that? So apply the same here. Tam, ta, te, taha, taha, ti. Any Halanta Shabda goes like that. If it is chakaranta, cham, cha, che, chaha, chaha, chi. Nakaranta, nam, na, ne, naha, naha, ni. Remember that. Okay, like that you can read. Can you read?
Yeah.
Kiyantau,
Kiyantaha.
kiyantam,
Kiyantam, kiyanto,
kiyataha,
Kiyata, kiyadbhyam, kiyadbhihi. Kiyate, kiyadbhyam, kiyadbhyaha. Kiyataha, kiyadbhyam, kiyadbhyaha. Kiyataha, kiyatoho, kiyatam. Kiyati, kiyatoho, kiyatsu.
So here you have to also make a note here. Srinivas, Dvitiya Bahuvachana, what is it? Kiyataha. Panchami Shashti Ekavachana, Kiyataha. So that is there. So this Kiyat also is there in Strilinga. We will see it in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.